If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform and decorate and completely customize these two Dollar Tree lighters into these lovely, fabulous, blingy lighters, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments and some resin pieces I'm going to make to these lighters. They were two for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, and I didn't realize that they had like this little sticker on the back. I kind of took it off and it was choppy, so it left a little goo on the back. So just make sure that you just pull it all off at once, but if you have to, just sand the back. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to make a cute little resin bear. And I got the UV resin from Amazon, and the little bear mold came from Amazon as well. And I'm using some Recollections glitter. It's a very pretty sequency looking chunky confetti glitter that I got from Michael's. And I'm just taking a plastic fork, kind of stirring that glitter in so it's not so chunky in one spot and not the other. Now what you want to do is top it off, but just please make sure you don't overflow it because it just won't be right. So I'm going to take my LED UV lamp, the same kind you use for gel nails, like to cure gel polish. Then I also have these cute little flower molds. This is actually my first time using these. I just wanted to try them out and see if it's something that I want to add to the lighters. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the resin inside of the molds. And then what I'm going to do, I have these really cute clay sprinkles. So I'm going to put some clay sprinkles in one, and I'm going to put some of the confetti glitter in the other, just to see how they turn out. Just to give it like a little stir. And again, I'm going to top these off and be careful not to overflow them. And I'm just going to put them under my LED lamp, let those cure for a couple minutes, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so UV resin cures pretty quickly, so now we're going to demold it. And look at that cute bear. It is so sparkly. And be careful because sometimes it's a little on the warm side when you pull it out of the mold. And I'm going to demold the flowers. And there's different shapes and sizes. When I demolded this little glittery flower, I wasn't so sure about it. It came out the way it was supposed to, but I don't know. Maybe I should have used some fine glitter. I like this flower. It just doesn't have that much shine to it for some reason. I like them both, but I actually ended up not using neither one of them. To spruce this up, I think I added like a rhinestone to the middle of it because I thought the middle of this flower was flat. It actually wasn't. It actually had a rounded area there. So I put this little rhinestone there anyway to spruce it, and still really ended up not caring for it. It made it a little better. I'll use it for something else. So I'm going to start with the orange lighter. I have this little Betty Boop planner. And at first I didn't know if it was going to fit because it's slightly wider than the lighter. But it don't matter. And I'm going to add on like some chunky bling. I'm making these for my mother-in-law. She really likes Betty Boop. So I thought this would be something cute for her. So I'm just kind of making this fit on there. And the way I have it, it can't stand up straight because one of those stones are kind of a little lower than the bottom. But it didn't matter because all the stuff I put on here, they just couldn't stand up on their own towards the end. You'll see what I'm talking about. So if I had another Betty Boop planner, I would have put it on this side. But I decided to go ahead and just do some orange 5mm jelly rhinestones. And these rhinestones like have like a transparent look to them, but they look really good when you use them up against the same color as the rhinestones, if you get what I'm saying. They look really good. So they have a cute little shine, so I'm gonna add those to this side. Okay, so I'm moving to the side of the lighter, and I'm going to add more chunky rhinestones on the side of it. And these rhinestones they're pretty big. They're not too humongous, but they're pretty big, but they have like a really nice, pretty shine to them. They don't have a flat back, so that's why I'm trying to position them the best way possible, so that they lock in place. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm using UV resin, it's because I like to use it as a glue sometimes, and it cures like instantly. So when you're in a hurry, this is a great thing to use on certain surfaces. It's not work on everything. So far it works really good like on metals and plastics. So I'm going to let that cure, and then I am moving on to the yellow lighter. So I have this big teddy bear, and I'm going to add the UV resin to that and just go ahead and carefully place that on. And that bear is just as heavy as the lighter, but I think it looks really cute. This is different. I've never seen anything like this before, so I thought that would be really cute to add the little bear. Well, the big bear. But there's some space at the bottom, so I'm just trying to figure out what to put underneath here. So what I'll end up doing is adding on a couple rhinestones and a pearl. I thought I was going to be able to fit those little Hello Kitty clay decor, but they were a little too big. So I'm just adding a pearl with a few of these yellow AB rhinestones, and they're really pretty. Okay, so now we are on the back of the yellow lighter. And again, I thought I would be able to fit these Hello Kitties on here, but because the front had a bear, I decided to put a bear on the back. So I just went with these two bears, and then I think in between I fit like a rhinestone or something in between. But I'm almost finished. These are really great DIY gifts, especially something that's very affordable. $1.25. That's like extremely affordable as a gift. And these were a really big hit. And I will show you the finished result in just a second. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little Dollar Tree lighters. And they're laying flat. They might look like they're standing up, but they're actually laying flat. I tried to stand them up. They were just way too heavy and kept tipping over. And this is how the back of them look. I think they turned out really, really cute, super adorable. And when I posted these on my Instagram, people were saying that this was a great idea because sometimes people steal lighters apparently, or they get mixed up with others. So if you have one that stands out really good like this, you shouldn't have any trouble with someone trying to mix it up with theirs or trying to take it, because you'll remember to get this back, because look how cute it is. But she really, really liked it. She really liked the Betty Boop one, of course, but she really liked that big bear on the other one. So this is a nice cute little gift, and this could be something that's a part of a bigger gift. Like you could put this inside of like a gift basket or something of that nature. But thanks you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook. And thanks again for watching. Bye bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.